In this video, you will learn how to create and customize window jambs in ideCAD. From configuring top, vertical, bottom, and apex stone edges to assigning profiles, materials, and offsets, every detail is covered. You'll also see how to resolve veneer overlaps and create your own custom jamb profiles for future projects. Let's continue with the jamb. To define jambs for the windows, we use the Jamb command located in the Facade tab. When the command is clicked, the Jamb toolbar opens. This toolbar includes the commands Change Jamb Side, Profiles, and Settings. Click the Settings icon to open the Jamb Settings dialog. The dialog contains the drawing of the jamb section, the jamb settings, and a preview of the 3D model. It is possible to assign different jamb profiles separately to the top, vertical, and bottom edges of the window. In the top tab, the corner joints of the jamb can be modified by selecting a construction type, such as continuous, clip, or extend. The changes are simultaneously reflected in the preview window. The top piece can be shifted farther by entering a value in the offset box. By clicking the Select Profile button, one of the ready-made jamb types provided by the program can be chosen and used in the jamb definition. Different jamb profiles can be applied to each edge of the window, providing flexibility in jamb design. If required, the upper part of the jamb can also be hidden by deselecting the upper option. In the Vertical tab, if Clip is selected as the construction type for the jamb corner joints, upper and lower extensions can be defined. The left and right pieces can be shifted farther by entering values in the left offset and right offset boxes. By clicking the Select Profile button, a different profile can be chosen. If required, the vertical parts of the jamb can also be hidden by deselecting the vertical option. In the bottom tab, the settings are the same as in the top tab. The corner joints of the jamb, the profile, and the offset value can be modified. If required, the bottom part of the jamb can also be hidden by deselecting the under option. In the Apex Stone tab, the apex stone can be hidden by deselecting the Apex Stone option. The apex parameter and offset value can be modified. By clicking the Select Profile button, ready-made apex stone type provided by the program can be chosen. Under the Other Settings tab, additional adjustments can be made, such as assigning materials to the 3D model and customizing colors and line types for drawing representation. After completing the settings, click OK to apply the jamb definition to the selected window. When the command is activated, all other objects appear faded, providing a visual aid that makes the selection process easier. Select the windows to define jambs. Right-click to confirm the selection. The program displays a preview of the jamb in the plan view. Press the spacebar to toggle whether the jamb will be placed on the interior or exterior face of the window. Once the position is set, left-click to place the jamb. The jamb is then automatically created based on the defined settings. If you want to modify an existing jambs, select the jambs and open its settings. Click the Select Profile button to choose a new jamb profile. Repeat this process for the vertical and bottom edges. When you click OK, the program updates the jamb with the newly selected profile. After placing a jamb, some visual issues may occur with the exterior veneer. For example, the jamb may appear to overlap the cladding, be partially embedded in it, or the door and window openings in the cladding may not be formed correctly. This issue usually occurs when the Is Under Jambs option in the exterior veneer settings is not enabled. To resolve this, open the exterior veneer settings. The issue can be observed in the 3D preview of the exterior veneer. Then, check the Is Under Jambs option. Once this setting is enabled, the exterior veneer automatically adjusts to the jamb. The exterior veneer lines are corrected, overlaps at the edges are resolved, and overall visual consistency is achieved. In addition to the built-in Jamb profiles available in ideCAD, custom profiles can also be created. Use the multiple lines command to draw the section that you want to use as a Jamb profile. The cross-section of the profile must first be drawn. Select the section drawing and right-click. From the right-click menu, choose Transform to Polygon Profile, Jamb. Enter a name for the section you have drawn. Click OK to close the dialog. Your new profile will now be added to the library. Open the settings of the Jamb whose profile you want to change. Click the Select Profile button. From the profile list, select the custom profile you created. Assign this profile to the vertical and bottom edges as well to complete the definition. You can assign this profile to any of the Jamb's edges. When you click OK, the program updates the Jamb using your custom profile. By defining new Jamb sections, the Jamb step has been completed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the knowledge base for more tips. See you in the following video.